So right now, the only two issues with this design are the priming grip currently rubs a lot on this outer shell, and I also want to maybe make this ram, this entire rod here connects back to the ram, which is this orange piece. Right now it kind of bends a little bit as it goes into the breech. It's not an issue, it still fires fine, but it doesn't look particularly nice, so might want to change that. But the main issue is the sound. Ugh. And then, you know, it still fires and everything, which is great. And this does kind of lurch back as I'm firing, so I might add a bolt detent either up here or in the ram. Other than that, works great. So, yeah, Kingfisher.